Hi everyone! Welcome back to my page. Happy Father's Day to all dads, papa, tatay out there or nagpakapapa. And finally, dunga na jud ang celebration kay ang Mother's Day og dili dungag date sa Pinas. Happy Father's Day to all my brothers and brother-in-law. And I just have a quick share with you. And unfortunately, si Daddy nag-work today. Walay day off. Kawawa si Daddy. Hindi naman kawawa. Choice niya yun na mag-overtime siya. So, we just come back from church with my two boys. And I'm just have a quick share para sa gift namin ni Daddy. So, binilhan ko siya ng shoes. Hindi naman, ano na shoes. Sale na ito Wala ba tilibin? Oh, ano pala, Yuki 10. So, this one, I don't know how much. This 100 and Jordan. So, wala pa siyang laces. Ito ang gift ko kay Daddy. So, this is basically, I think, 130 pounds. So, mga ano siya, nearly 10,000. Basically, mga nearly 10,000. So, I hope he likes this. Ang laces, nandito sa loob. Ikaw ang mag-ano sa laces. Ito yung palang laces. Nandun sa ano. And, we have a card for Daddy. Yung card namin kay Daddy. So, from Oli and CJ. And this is for mine. So, sulatan namin later kasi galing pa kami sa church. And, this is from Oli. Because in Oli and from Kuya. Cute. Because in Oli's Catholic primary school, you have an option that they ask the students to bring some money and they can choose what they want. Same as in a Mother's Day. It depends on it depends how much you give money for them, so they can choose any gift. So it's a cute socks, look. Best dad ever. Best dad ever. And this one is like a, look, Dad, I love you to the moon and back. Caring siya, guys. Caring. So, ano si Daddy? He loves caring kasi yung mga caring namin sa mga door o sa nilagyan talaga niya ng ano o sa hindi pala mga door sa aming main door lagyan marami siyang ano. So I'm sure he gonna loves it. I love you to the moon and back. He's so cute. So yun lang, guys, kasi Daddy told yesterday that he said, oh, you want to eat after or we have a like local restaurant here near our place after work. And I said, Daddy, that is very crowded, but on Father's Day you need to book. You cannot walk in, and it costs money. So magluto na lang ako ng steak sa kanya, beef steak, ano ko lang, marinate, tapos ano, kasi si hindi masyadong mahilig sa steak. So yun lang, guys. I'm not bragging. So I'm just like share to, kahit naman wala kayong regalo, so important you will show them, kahit man lang i-greet ninyo or ano, words is a big thing. Kahit man lang i-hug ninyo, tapos sabihin salamat sa mga sacrifice, tama na yun. Kasi hindi naman necessary nga na may talaga. Ako talaga every may gift talaga si daddy sa akin. Kasi mag-effort naman din si daddy sa Mother's Day. So, and he deserve it, and because he works hard, and he is a very good provider to his two boys and to me. So, yun lang. And again, mabuhay ang lahat na dad in the whole wide world. So, sa mapasaway na dad dyan, iwan ko lang sa inyo. Alright, have a good, enjoy your celebration, and God bless.